Following Chrome, Microsoft also working on its own AI theme generator, using which users can create personalized themes for the Edge browser. Right now, it's not integrated into the browser, but users can try it by visiting this webpage. In this video, let's learn how to create theme using this tool and integrate into the browser. Before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. To create a theme template for Edge, just give your preferred prompt or use the surprise me option. Once you select the preferred option, the tool will take 15 to 20 seconds to generate a theme. At last, click on the Apply Theme option and it will be applied to the Edge browser. Apart from this, you can also share this template with other users as well. As I said earlier, the tool is available as a preview and not integrated into the browser. In case you want to add it to the Edge browser, then here's how you can do that. After visiting the website, click on the plus icon available on the sidebar panel. Under the Quick Access section, you will see the same web page. Click on the Open in Sidebar option. The icon for the same will be added to the sidebar. Now, right-click on the same icon and select Pin to Sidebar. This will add the Edge AI theme generator to the Edge browser. Next time you want to use the Edge theme generator, simply click on the same icon and it will open within the Edge browser. Now you can follow the same process to create an AI theme and apply it to the Edge browser. We hope that Microsoft will soon integrate the AI theme generator in the Edge browser. In the meantime, what is your opinion about this tool? Let us know in the comments. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.